So this will be really interesting. We've done it with many different audiences, and it's always different, which is the fun part. The thing I can say is if we're not successful, Bob and I have a nice last piece, which will go really, really well. So have no fear. Whatever happens, it'll be fun. But what we're going to try and do is layer a bunch of melodies on top of each other. And we're going to kind of start with sections, but then we might even make you a little bit smaller sections, and we'll see how many layers we can get. So when we start a melody, we might start here, looks like it. You keep doing that melody, just like you kept clapping the rhythm. We'll go somewhere else, I'll give you a melody, you add that to it. I'll go somewhere else, you add that. So keep singing whatever I've given to your section, and then we might start adding more and dividing. We'll just see how we do with this.
Yeah, I think we're going to bring in a couple of section leaders as well to kind of help everybody stay on their own little parts here. So, sure, yeah, Ruth Ann will take the middle, and Michael will be with you guys over there. And with you guys.
So.
Okay. One more time. Then we'll slow it down.